Hello small settlers, it's time for the 1-year anniversary of the channel, and with it, a new tradition appeared on my channel. Each year, there will be a video with achievements and plans for the next year. First, let's see what was done during this year. The biggest challenge for me started with making dioramas. My first diorama ever was Tiefling on the Throne, which was also my first figure. It wasn't good, I didn't know a lot, but everyone has to start somewhere. The next diorama was Corpse Bride, which I made for Halloween. It had more details, and because it was Halloween, I made a bunch of cute tiny pumpkins and used dried flowers and plants for the first time. Lofoten Floating Island was my third Christmas diorama. I was trying to create something with a winter setting and tiny houses. Some might see it as a failure, but I see it as a stepping stone to a much better winter diorama this year. Alan Wake 2 diorama was made in a hurry. The game was already released when I started creating it, and I spent a huge amount of time on it. Lesson learned, never rush things, especially when you're still learning. Lovecraft Mythos Horror diorama. I never imagined there were so many Lovecraft fans. I made it mainly because of one of my dearest subscribers, and it showed me how wrong I was to think it would only bring happiness to a few people. It became one of the most popular videos on my channel. After I started painting miniatures, I was so amazed by some miniatures and figures that I began to learn how to sculpt and make them myself. After Tiefling on the Throne, I made my own variation of a mimic chest. It was my first time using monster clay and casting a miniature using polyurethane plastic. After the mimic chest, I enjoyed sculpting with monster clay so much that I sculpted for figures one after another. With Elminster, I was learning to sculpt fabric and an old man's face. Fallout T-60 armor, the best figure I've made so far, but YouTube was so cruel to this video that most probably no one will ever see it. But anyway, I'm so happy with the result, and it always catches people's eyes when they come into my house. Sculpting and painting were so smooth. Casting had its own adventure, but the result is good. Baby Cthulhu in the egg. After some time, I removed the rabbit ear so it wouldn't be so cute. Again, because of the egg, it would be hard to cast. We'll try to print it and soon we will see the result. Lisan ul Gaib on Worm. This is my biggest figure so far. It was so big that I had to consider how much plastic I would need to cast it. The answer, a lot. It's still waiting its turn to be cast. Soon, I will print it using a 3D printer. The first thing I started my channel with was miniature painting. Because miniature painting is not so popular on YouTube, I upload them as shorts. So if you're interested, you can see them in the Shorts tab. This channel is not about making the best thing, it's more about the journey people take before they do something perfect. And because my channel is young, I'm still learning everything while filming videos. The first thing to improve is the narration for all my videos. Next is the editing and filming process. There is already a huge difference from my first videos, but there is still a lot to improve. Finally, I believe I can sculpt and paint much better, so I need to learn a lot to create better content. More projects are ahead. Right now, I'm managing to make a video each week, and I have organized all projects for the next 3 months. This was mainly done because I have a huge list of things I want to craft. So, as you've understood, more videos are coming, so be sure you're subscribed and will receive notifications about new videos. A lot of people subscribed after the Lovecraft diorama video, so more videos about Lovecraft's mythos are coming. The main things I'll be doing will be dioramas and sculpting figures, including my own characters. Another huge thing will be sculpting and modeling 3D models that you can print yourself. I'm reading all your comments, so if you have any ideas about dioramas, creatures, models for dioramas or terrain, or just about video formats, leave them in the comments. Thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel, and special thanks to those who leave their ideas and thoughts in the comments and give likes to the videos. It inspires, supports, and encourages me to create more videos for this small channel. In the next video, I'm making something completely new for me. I hope it will be a new format for my channel as well. See you on Wednesday.